Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to make marble bark. This is one of my favorite mithais and I've not found many recipes of these online, so I managed to make this and here's how. The ingredients that you'll need for this are pistachios, almonds, vermicelli, melted ghee, milk powder, sugar, besan, nutmeg and cardamom powder. And for the mithai, I'm using a cake tin which is 6 inches in diameter and I've lined it with baking paper. For the first step, you want to dry roast your vermicelli on a low to medium heat. Mix this occasionally as you do not want this to burn, and once it becomes brown and fragrant, take this out and allow it to cool. Then roast your almonds and pistachios in a little bit of ghee until they become fragrant and a little bit harder. When you've done roasting these, allow them to cool and then you want to grind this into a coarse powder. I did forget to take off the blade protector at this point, but just ignore that fact. In a pan, add in your melted ghee, mine solidified at this point. Just allow this to melt on a medium to low heat, then add in your besan. Roast this on a medium to low heat and you want to mix this continuously just so it doesn't burn. The mixture will get thick at first, then it will become fluffy and then it will become runny. This is the last stage. You can see that it has become darker and it'll give off a nice smell that you'll be able to recognize. At this stage, turn off the heat and add in your ground almonds, pistachios and vermicelli, milk powder and sugar and mix this thoroughly through. Then add in your cardamom powder and nutmeg powder and mix this thoroughly into the mixture as well. Then add in your mixture to whatever dish you're using. I'm using a cake tin lined with baking paper. And then I'm pushing the mixture down just so it gets nice and compact and it sets well. Then on top I've added some slithered almonds and pistachios and also pushed this into the mixture. Then allow the mixture to set. You can leave this for around an hour or two and then cut this into pieces. I had to cut mine the next day, so I had to put a bit more force into it. And your marble bark is ready to eat. I hope you guys try this recipe out. If you've had Gujarati Magaj before, it's similar to that, but the vermicelli gives this a nice crunch. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this recipe video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.